They've gotten smarter. Hidden apps, secret folders, encrypted chats that disappear. But in 2026, nothing stays hidden forever. Not with the right tools. Here's how to find the dating apps, secret accounts, and deleted messages they swore didn't exist. Every secret leaves a trail. Cheating in 2026 isn't what it used to be. No Tinder icon on the home screen. No sketchy notifications at midnight. Cheaters use app cloners, hidden vaults disguised as calculators or games, and disappearing message platforms. Every app install, every login, every deleted message leaves digital fingerprints. Here are the 3 forensic methods that expose the truth. The 2026 Infidelity Discovery Triad. First, hidden app vault and cloner detection. Forensic scan for dual apps and vaults disguised as utilities. Calculators, photo galleries, fake games. These are the encrypted boxes where cheaters hide dating apps and secret photos. Next, burner messaging and ephemeral chat recovery. Apps like Telegram, Signal, WhatsApp, they offer disappearing messages. But in 2026, forensics recover them. Notification logs, cached databases, even system backups retain fragments after deletion. Cheaters create accounts on multiple platforms, sometimes using apps, sometimes just a browser. Even if they delete the apps, forensic tools recover installation receipts and browser login sessions. Holograms light up, each app icon connected by glowing threads to a single device ID. Deleted dating app matches, conversations, photos, even after uninstalling the app. Incognito browser history, searches for hotels, gifts, even how to hide cheating, exposed. Dual SIM and eSIM profiles, secondary numbers used for secret chats. All this evidence floats across the forensic dashboard. Screenshots, location pings, profile photos. Why does 2026 tech expose what 2025 couldn't? AI-powered pattern recognition. Even a factory reset can't erase everything. Deep storage, cloud syncs, carrier logs. 2026 forensics extract it all. Every artifact is wrapped with forensic hashes and timestamp verification. Ready for legal battles. A fiancé catches his partner's secret eSIM number, linked to multiple dating sites. In 2026, trust isn't just given, it's verified. For confidential access to these forensic discovery platforms and direct consultation with our digital investigation specialists, reach out today. Email techcontinental5dgmail.com. Telegram channel, https://gt.me, techcontinental trust, verified, 2026.